Do you want to go or not? Do you want to eat or not? Here's a simple way to say that, and all you got to do is fill in the blanks. E te fia blank, fill in the blank, pe, and then fill in the other blank. Let's break it down. E te fia ai pele ai. E te fia means you want. And if you put the inflection on it, it's like, do you want? The word fia introduces an action like eat, sleep, walk, drink, whatever. If you want to say, does he want, or do they want, or do y'all want, then you have to change the e because e is a pronoun for you. And then pe is or. Pe is used to introduce a choice between two actions like eat or sleep, or even a non-action like nah. You want to eat or nah? It's if you ai pe leai. I is to eat, and then leai is no. You want eat or no? It's if you ai pe leai. It's if you no fo pe aluloa. No fo aluloa. Remember Lord from the last lesson? Do you want to go or not? It's if you alu pe leai. Alu is go, leai no. Fia keeps it